everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video we'll be doing another unboxing video, and today we're going to be doing Sephora Play for December 2019. This is what the bag looks like this month. It is, pretty full. And then we also got the card. One of you actually told me in the comment section in last month's video that they stopped giving away the card. I noticed that we didn't have one, but one of you actually said, yeah, they announced that they weren't going to do that anymore. So on this side of the card, it does have all of the products that are in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull the items out of the box and show them to you as we go. I'm going to pull this out first. So this is like the bonus item. This is looks like it's a purple shampoo and conditioner from Dry Bar. It's the Blonde Ale, which I do dye my hair blonde. Brightening shampoo and conditioner from Dry Bar. So this is like the bonus item. If you're not familiar with Sephora Play, they do send a quote-unquote bonus item every month. Typically it is a perfume sample, but every once in a while they will do hair care as well. I prefer when they get the hair care because I don't use shampoo, or I don't use perfume because it does bother me. I use shampoo every day, which I shouldn't. I should be using it every second or third day, but I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card. This is the bonus item from Dry Bar, and it is the Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo and Conditioner. Get the most out of your color with this purple pigmented duo that cancels out the warmth in blonde, gray, or white hair. Need to know brand. Do one thing and do it the best. That's the philosophy for Dry Bar. A hair care brand that is obsessed with blowout perfection, and it was chosen specifically for my hair color. All right. Let's go ahead back into the bag. I'm going to pull out this item right here. This is from Tarte. I actually have one of these. I'm going to pull it right over here. Mine's a little bit bigger than the one that just came in the pot, but it is the Drink of H2O, and you can tell mine's a little dusty. I keep this up here in case I'm feeling like I need a little bit more moisture in my skin, but it is just a gel moisturizer. You can see I'm actually almost out of this. I do use it, not every day, obviously, but I do use it when I'm feeling like my skin needs a little bit more moisture to it. I will grab this and, just put a little bit on, and that's, how I use it. So it's the same product, but this is from Tarte, and it says Tarte C, S-E-A, Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. When your moisturizer soothes and refreshes skin, fights free radicals, and plumps the look of fine lines, it deserves all the praise it can get. So it does say it's an exclusive. I did not know that this was exclusive to, I think I actually got mine from Tarte, from the Tarte website. So maybe they only sell it on the Tarte website and on Sephora? I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to put mine back. All right, back into the bag for the next item. I'm going to pull this next item out that's down here on the bottom. This is not my favorite product, although we do get it pretty often, actually. I think we probably get this from Sephora at least twice a year, 3 times a year. A lot of people love this. I can't use it. This is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, and people love this stuff. There's actually a jar of this in my second bathroom right now because my 20-year-old will use this when I get it because he doesn't mind it. But the scent is so strong, I just can't use it. I prefer the other one that they came out with, the blue one that they came out with, the blue-green one. I much prefer that because that scent I can tolerate. This one, it's just too much and it gives me a really wicked headache. So this is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Let's give a round of applause to this fast-absorbing body cream that helps smooth skin with nurturing ingredients. And it says how to use. Massage in a circular motion onto your legs, arms, stomach, anywhere to build heat for better absorption. So, back into the bag. Let's pull this out right here. So, this is from Grande Cosmetics. It is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara, and it's a black mascara. I've never tried this before, this specific one before. I have tried Grande Cosmetics before, but I've never tried their mascara. So this is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara in black. The winner for Best Dramatic Performance is this thickening mascara that delivers lift and volume to lashes and creates a lush, glossy finish. How to use: apply from root to tip and layer to build length. Tip: turn up the volume by coating the tops of lashes first, then the bottom. All right, back into the bag. There's 2 items left. Let's pull this out here. So this is from Way, and it is a body cleanser. So there you go. Okay. So this is the Way Body Cleanser. This cleanser is anything but washed up. The balancing formula leaves you feeling refreshed. Maybe it's just me, but the descriptions of these are really lacking this month. And it does have a safety seal on, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and put that aside and pull the last item out of the bag, which I'm actually kind of excited to get. And I might already have this. Let me look real quick. All right, so I do have some of these, but I don't have this color. I don't know how I don't have this color, but I don't. This is from Marc Jacobs. It is a mini of the Highliner Gel Eye Crayon, and it's just in black, so I'm not going to swatch it. I don't want to open it right now. I'm going to leave it sealed, and I will open it in the future when I need a new gel black eyeliner. I do like this eyeliner actually quite a bit. I think I have like 3 or 4 of them in my drawer over there, just not a black one. So this is from Marc Jacobs Beauty. It's the Highliner Gel Eye Crayon in Blacker, B-L-A-C-Q-U-E-R, Blacker. Don't call it a comeback. This liner has been a favorite from the start thanks to its easy glide crayon form and long-wearing waterproof formula. How to use: use the crayon to line your eye for definition or smudge the color for a smoky look. Layer it as an eyeshadow base or design a totally original graphic look. So that is my Sephora Play bag for December 2019. I have to be honest, I feel like this bag has really gone significantly downhill. Like, sorry, the afternoon sun is actually coming in on me. That's unusual. But anyway, I feel like this has really gone downhill, and here's why. I've gotten this product, like I said, at least twice a year we get this product. The other ones this month aren't too bad. I'm happy about the Marc Jacobs liner. I'm excited to try this mascara. We get lots of Way products, but I can't say that I've gotten a body cleanser from them before. And I'm not upset about the moisturizer because I do enjoy this moisturizer specifically. But, you know, I don't know. I don't feel like they're doing as good a job as they once did. Like, there was a time, I remember, I think it's like 2 years ago or maybe 3 years ago, where Sephora Play had a wait list, and you like really, really wanted to get on the list because it was such a really good bag. And it just doesn't seem like they really do all that great anymore. Like, I know that some of these things are probably point perks. Like these 3 things in particular, I'm pretty sure are point perks. I think you can even get the Boom Boom Cream now as a point perk. I'm not sure about the Way. Honestly, I get Sephora points, and I don't use them. I just don't. I don't know. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you guys think of Sephora Play? I know I've heard from some of you saying that you've canceled it within the last year or even longer ago because you just haven't been as excited about it lately. I would love to know what you guys think in the comment section. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up down below if you feel like I deserve it. If you haven't already and you want to hit the red subscribe button, I appreciate that as well. I did just wrap up my 15 days of giveaways prior to the holidays, but my 800 subscriber giveaway is just around the corner. I did hit 800 subscribers in this month, so that will be just around the corner. And if you're interested, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you get notified when that video goes up. And any comments are always appreciated. Anyway, that's going to wrap up my Sephora Play unboxing for December 2019. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!